Hello there, it's 2025 and we know so much more now. Have you ever truly thought about what's happening inside you? Not just your breakfast digesting, or your heart beating its steady rhythm. I'm talking about something far more bustling, something alive, a vibrant community, a hidden world teeming with life right under your nose, or rather, a bit further down in your amazing gut. Imagine a vast, sprawling city, one that never truly sleeps. This city is microscopic, yet incredibly powerful. It's packed with trillions, yes, trillions of tiny inhabitants. These aren't little people, of course. They are bacteria, viruses, fungi, and other microbes, all living together, mostly in harmony. This bustling metropolis is your microbiome. Now, when you hear the word bacteria, what comes to mind? Germs, illness, nasty invaders? It's true, some bacteria can be troublemakers. We call them pathogens. They are the ones that can make you feel unwell if they get out of hand. But here's a secret, most bacteria are not bad at all. In fact, many of them are absolutely essential for your well-being. Your gut is their home. Think of your gut microbiome as a complex neighborhood. It has all sorts of residents. The good bacteria are like the helpful neighbors. They work hard for you, they help break down your food, especially fibers your body can't digest on its own. They produce important vitamins like vitamin K and some B vitamins. They even help train your immune system, and they protect you by keeping the not-so-friendly bacteria in check. The key to a healthy gut, and therefore a healthy you, is balance. It's not about eliminating all bacteria. That would be impossible, and very bad for you. It's about fostering a diverse and thriving community of good bacteria. A happy gut is a balanced gut. So, we know we want lots of friendly bacteria in our gut, but how do we help them thrive? Well, like any living thing, they need food, and they have very particular tastes. This is where prebiotics come in. Think of prebiotics as the favorite gourmet meals for your good gut microbes. They are special types of dietary fiber that your human cells cannot digest, so they pass through your upper digestive system untouched. When these prebiotic fibers reach your large intestine, your good bacteria get very excited. It's party time for them. They ferment these fibers. This process not only helps them grow and multiply, it also produces other beneficial substances, which we'll talk about later. Prebiotics selectively feed the good guys like bifidobacteria and lactobacilli. They help these beneficial strains to flourish. This gives them a competitive edge over the less desirable microbes in your gut. Where can you find these wonderful prebiotics? They are naturally present in many plant-based foods. Think of things like onions, garlic, leeks, and asparagus. Bananas, especially slightly unripe ones, are a good source. Chicory root is packed with them. It's often added to foods. Oats, apples, barley, and Jerusalem artichokes also contain these helpful fibers. Sometimes our gut microbiome needs a little extra help. Perhaps after a round of antibiotics or during times of stress, or maybe our diet hasn't been the best. This is where probiotics can step in. Probiotics are like sending in reinforcements. They are live microorganisms, actual good bacteria and yeasts. When you consume them in adequate amounts, they can provide health benefits. They help to bolster the ranks of your existing good microbes. You've probably heard of probiotics. They are famously found in fermented foods. Yogurt is a classic example, especially those with live and active cultures. Kefir, a fermented milk drink, is another powerhouse. Sauerkraut, unpasteurized of course, kimchi, tempeh, and miso are also excellent sources. These foods have been part of traditional diets for centuries, long before we even knew what bacteria were. Our ancestors understood their benefits intuitively. Besides these foods, probiotics are also available as supplements. These come in capsules, powders, or liquids. They usually contain specific strains of bacteria, like lactobacillus or bifidobacterium species. The idea behind taking probiotics is to introduce beneficial microbes directly into your gut. They can help restore balance if your microbiome is out of whack, a state called dysbiosis. Section 5, the hidden gems, understanding postbiotics. We've talked about feeding our good bacteria with prebiotics, and about adding more good bacteria with probiotics. Now let's explore another fascinating piece of the puzzle, postbiotics. This might be a newer term for you, but postbiotics are incredibly important. Simply put, postbiotics are the beneficial compounds that are produced by your good bacteria, especially when they munch on prebiotics. They are essentially the waste products of these microbes, but this isn't your average waste. It's more like treasure. These byproducts are incredibly valuable for our health. Examples of postbiotics include short-chain fatty acids like butyrate, acetate, and propionate. Butyrate, for instance, is the primary energy source for the cells lining your colon. It helps keep your gut wall strong and healthy. Postbiotics also include enzymes, vitamins like B vitamins and vitamin K, amino acids, and antimicrobial peptides that can fight off bad bugs. So, when your friendly gut bacteria are happily fermenting those prebiotic fibers, they are not just growing, they are also busy little factories churning out these amazing health-promoting substances. These postbiotics can have direct effects right there in your gut. Section 6. Your gut's superpowers, amazing health benefits unveiled. Your gut microbiome isn't just about digestion. Oh no, it's far more influential than that. Think of it as a hidden superhero. Its powers extend throughout your entire body. One of the most exciting areas of research is the gut-brain axis. This is a direct communication highway between your gut and your brain. Your gut microbes can actually influence your mood, your stress levels, and even your cognitive functions. It's quite amazing. Ever had gut feelings? Or felt butterflies in your stomach? That's the gut-brain axis at work. Your gut bacteria produce neurotransmitters like serotonin, the happy chemical. In fact, a large portion of your body's serotonin is made in the gut. So, an imbalance in your gut bacteria could potentially affect your mental well-being, leading to issues like anxiety or even depression. Nurturing your gut could be a key to a happier mind. Section 7. Tailored support. Probiotics for your specific needs. The world of probiotics is vast and exciting. We know they are beneficial live microbes, but it's important to understand that not all probiotics are the same. Different strains of bacteria can have very different effects on your body. It's like saying all vitamins are the same. They are not. So, if you're thinking about using probiotics for a specific health concern, it's good to do a little homework. Or even better, chat with a knowledgeable healthcare professional. For common digestive troubles, certain probiotics have shown promise. If you struggle with irritable bowel syndrome, some strains like Bifidobacterium infantis or certain lactobacillus species might help ease symptoms like bloating, gas, and abdominal pain. For occasional constipation, Bifidobacterium lactis strains are often studied, and if you're dealing with diarrhea, especially after taking antibiotics, Saccharomyces boulardii, a beneficial yeast, and Lactobacillus rhamnosus GG are well-researched options. Beyond digestion, probiotics are being explored for immune support. Section 8. Nourishing your inner garden, everyday steps for a happy gut. So, you're now convinced that your gut microbiome is a precious asset, and you're wondering, how can I best take care of these tiny friends? The good news is, it doesn't have to be complicated. Nurturing your inner garden can be achieved through simple, everyday choices. The most powerful tool you have is your diet. What you eat directly feeds your microbes. Aim for variety, especially from plant-based foods. Think colors. Eat a rainbow of fruits, vegetables, legumes, nuts, and seeds. These are packed with different types of fiber, which are prebiotics for your good bacteria. The more diverse your diet, the more diverse your microbiome can become, and diversity is a hallmark of a healthy gut. Don't forget whole grains like oats, barley, and quinoa. And of course include those wonderful fermented foods we talked about, yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi. They bring in live probiotics. Lifestyle factors also play a huge role. Chronic stress can wreak havoc on your gut bacteria. So find healthy ways to manage stress: meditation, yoga, spending time in nature, or a hobby you enjoy. Sleep is another crucial element. Your gut has its own rhythm, and poor sleep can disrupt it. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night. Section 9. Your unique ecosystem, a call to cherish your inner world. We've journeyed through the incredible universe within you, your microbiome, this bustling community of trillions of tiny organisms. It's not just a passive bystander in your body, it's an active, vital organ, one that influences nearly every aspect of your health, from how you digest your food, to how you feel, to how well you fight off illness. It's truly a fundamental part of who you are, and it's unique to you like your own personal signature. Nurturing this inner ecosystem is not about a quick fix or a fad diet. It's an ongoing relationship, a journey of discovery and care. The choices you make every day, what you eat, how you sleep, how you manage stress, all contribute to the health and balance of your gut microbes. Think of yourself as a dedicated gardener, tending to a precious and intricate garden that thrives on nourishment, balance, and attention. It's a long-term investment in your well-being. The wonderful thing is that even small changes can make a significant difference. Adding a few more fiber-rich plant foods to your meals,